Okay, question 10 is a bit of a geometry question. And also, this is one of the questions which is starred, which means that they're testing the quality of your written communication. So you got to make sure that you clearly communicate what's going on with your answers and basically give reasons for your answers. Now, what I often tell my students as well is with these questions, when you see a shape like this in X, you know that you're going to need to work that out at some stage. So ignore the information given to start and just see what it is that you can work out right off the bat. Now, one thing I notice is we've got a straight angle here. We've got an isosceles triangle here. ADE is an isosceles triangle, and we've got two parallel lines, AB and this line here from CF is they're parallel. So I can see this what we call a Z, well, sometimes referred to as a Z angle. Now you're not allowed to use that phrase in the exam. It's actually they're alternate angles. So we can see this shape here like so. So that's kind of like the Z angle, which means that this angle here must be equal to this angle here, okay, because they're alternate. These two lines are parallel, and this is what we call the transversal. So these two are equal. So that must be 38 degrees. And because that's 38, and this is an isosceles triangle, well, these two angles which I'll mark in red must be the same because it's isosceles. So 180 take away 36, take away 38, let's write that down. 180 take away 38 will equal 150, 142 degrees. And then we need to divide that by 2 to get the value of one angle. So 142 divided by 2 equals 71. So that is 71 degrees, and that is also 71 degrees. And if that's 71, that means that this guy here must be 180 take away 71. So 180 take away 71 will equal 109. Okay, so we've worked out that x is equal to 109. Now we need to give reasons for your answer. So here we've got 180 minus 38. I'm actually going to say angle E equals angle DEA. That's this angle here. Okay. So let's write it in blue. Angle DEA equals angle EAB. Angle EAB, and that's alternate angles. Alternate angles are equal. Alternate angles are equal, and then we did 180 take away 38 to get 142. So angles in triangle add to 180. Angles in a triangle, if you will, angles in a triangle add to 180, and then the 142 divided by 2, so that was 142. We divided it by 2. Why? Because the base angles in an isosceles triangle are equal. So base angles in isosceles, ISOSCELES, isosceles triangle are equal. And then finally 180 take away 71 was here because angles on a straight line add to 180. angles on a straight line add to 180. Now, you won't have to give all of these reasons, but do give as many as possible and make sure that you give the reasons for your answer, otherwise you cannot get full marks.